Be strong.
Trusting in the Lord can be very, very difficult sometimes. Actually, trusting people, period, could be very, very difficult. But did you know that trusting in the Lord involves one thing, and that's the heart? You see, the Bible tells us that there's one thing we have the responsibility to guard, and that's our heart. With our soul being our spiritual heart, we have to understand that it's our responsibility to guard that heart and to guard that trust. Oftentimes we put God in the same category as people who have hurt us in the past. However, we need to make sure that we're pressing forward to not put God in a box, but to really make sure that we are putting God in a realm that is divine. Here are a few scriptures that can help you with your faith walk. Proverbs 3:5-6 says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will make straight your paths." Psalms 37:4-5 says, "Delight yourself in the Lord, and he will give you the desires of your heart. Commit your way to trust in him, and he will act." Psalms 33:20-22 says, "Our soul waits for the Lord, for he is our help and our shield. For our heart is glad in him, because we trust in his holy name. Let your steadfast love, O Lord, be upon us, even as we hope in you." Understand that trust has to do with abiding in the safe place, putting yourself in a safe place. So today, as you go throughout your day, make sure you're putting your trust and hope and confidence in a safe place. Trusting in God, putting your hope, putting your confidence, your foundation and structure in the divine, so he can show you how much he loves you. God bless you. And don't forget, please like and share this video. Go to YouTube, subscribe to my channel, Neverfitintv. Have a blessed day.